to another video. Today we have the Craftsman 30% off. Basically all the Craftsman deals that are going on now at Lowe's.com. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So if you want to help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're here at the main Lowe's website. It says here, order your gifts. I just saw this. Order your gift by noon on 12/10. Get them delivered before Christmas or in time for Christmas. I don't know. I just had bad luck with their competitor with losing my orders, and very upset with that. Hopefully Lowe's doesn't kill you. Anyways, you go down here at 12 days of Craftsman. Up to 30% off Craftsman tools and accessories. So Craftsman is a great platform to get into if you're a DIY. If you're a prosumer, professional starting out, you might be able to get away from this or get away with this tool. However, I would definitely, if you're a professional, I would definitely go with DeWalt. Anyways, you got $3.99. You got a V20 8-tool combo kit for $3.99. It doesn't look like you get any brushless tools. Most of these are brushed. But if you see closely here, 2 tools less. Actually, 1 tool less. 2, actually, yeah. Well, on this one you're getting the sander and the jigsaw. So 2 tools less, and you're getting it for almost half the price. So this is a lot better deal than this one. This one's not so great of a good deal. So this is a lot better deal. You're getting same as this one without the jigsaw and the sander. That's weird. Anyways, there's that one. $2.49 is a great deal. This one's a good deal too for the DIY. 2 drills and a drill and an impact driver, 2 batteries for $99. Let's see here. You got the $59 for the Bear 2. I would definitely go for this one. You're paying $40 more and you're getting another tool and another battery. This, unless you just want the drill. On this one, we just went over it on the other video. You get a free tool with the purchase for $99. So basically, a tool, a battery, a 4-amp-hour battery, and a charger for $99. You got 2 batteries here. What are these 4-amp-hour batteries for $149? Let's see here. You got a 215-piece standard asymmetric combination polished, $119. You got drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, lights, bag, and charger. 2 batteries for $199, plus you're getting a free tool. Like I said, we already went over on the other one. $159. You got the, what is this, impact driver, 1/2 inch, for $159. You got the reel for $29.88. We've seen this at the stores. If you guys haven't checked out my videos, we do go to the stores and do shopping at Lowe's or at other tool stores. Be sure to check out my channel. I do have a lot of videos on that specific subject. Let's see here. You got a 105-piece standard SAE and metric combination gunmetal, $74.98. So you get 3, looks like a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch. You do get some long sockets here on the back, some regular sockets, some bits, some filler bits, as you guys will call them. You got 4 for $12.98 for tape measures. I would say these are mostly DIY. You know, keep one on each truck. $3.29 for a 33-gallon compressor. Let's see here. You got an angle grinder for $49. Looks like it does come with the battery. Does it come with the battery? Oh, it's not a battery. It's just the cover says tool only. So, and then you got a 2-pack of 10-inch set tooth high speed circular saw blades. $17.98. You got a 2000 series 26. Let's see here. $149 for brushless tools. Yeah, this is definitely a better deal. You got some nice brushless tools for $149. Definitely a nicer deal for the DIY. If I was a DIY, I would definitely save my money for that. Well, actually, I am a DIY, but you know, I don't have any Craftsman tools. I got mostly DeWalt. You got V20. What is this? Speed hammer drill. It's a hammer drill for 129. You got a jigsaw for 79. Not so great. You got a brushless cordless circular saw for 99 bucks. This is a great deal here. They just went down in price. You got 7-piece metric nut driver set for 1488. You got that for 250. The thing is with this, you're gonna want to have the bottom box. You know, that's just me personally. So you got 988 for 47-piece hex shank screwdriver bit sets. All right, you got a circular saw, a reciprocating saw for 79. You got a sander for 64. You got the 2 tape measures here. Easy grip 25 feet 1488. Alright, you got 4 tool 20 volt max. It's really a 3 tool. So circular saw, impact dirt driver 159. You got a 2-pack 14 compartment small parts organizer. You got an inflator, which is just, I'm new to this. Looks like really nice. Looks like you do have a little screen there, and 75 bucks. I believe this is battery operated. And 12 volts. Should be 12 volt, is it? Power source, battery, car electric. So I guess this is, you can power this. Let's check it out. So it looks like you got some sort of AC wall plug. So you can charge it to, oh, you got, this is a really smart thing. All the companies should do this. You got a 12 volt car adapter plug, and then you got an AC wall plug. Plus you can put a battery on this thing and power it up. I think so. Yeah. I guess you can do that. So you got $34.98 with 140-piece impact bit set from the VersaStack. So if you get into VersaStack or the touch system, you can plug that into your toolbox. They are compatible. So 60-piece hex shank for $19.88. Another reciprocating saw. Let's see. You got scan depth metal and wood stud finder, $19.88. It's like a little kit that they have. You got a T-shank carbon steel jigsaw blade pack of 13, $9.98. You know what, guys? On the past, I bought some reciprocating. I don't know how these blades are, but I bought some reciprocating saw blades. And I've been doing some remodels lately. And let me tell you guys, I've been switching those blades on and off, and I haven't used a lot. I mean, I haven't used them like extensively, like you would use a blade, and you know, and it goes bad. So I just went through like 5 in like half an hour. So I don't know. I don't know if I would recommend Craftsman blades. I wouldn't recommend the reciprocating saw blades at all. I would just stick with DeWalt or some Bosch or whatever's out there. All right, you got the VersaStack 71-piece standard SAE and metric, 60 bucks. You got this nice, it says 14-piece assorted gold fresh coated HSS twist for $9.88. And then you got this 5-piece standard SAE ratchet and wrench set, $24.98. It's a really small kit. You got, what is this, 25-piece shank screwdriver set, $9.88. You got a carbide circular saw, 24 tooth, 7 1/4, $6.98. You got a 21-degree framing nailer, $139. What is it? 4-tool combo kit, a brushless power tool, $249. Same thing. Let's see here, say 14%. So $12.98 for a 35-piece shank screwdriver bit set. Not a lot of deals here, guys. So I'll definitely stick with the buy one get one free. If I was a DIY, like I said, if I was interested in buying some Craftsman tools. I love these toolboxes. The one with they have this design. They feel really premium, a lot better than this one. So I'll be sure to check them out. When I go to the stores, oh, these are the toolboxes by themselves. They are kind of pricey, but you know what, guys? I think they're worth it because they're really nice. Let's see what else. Alright, guys. I don't think I'm going to keep going with this because it's... there's not really a lot of good deals here. She said, what is this? Screwdriver storage. Yeah, that's it. I'm not going to keep going. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.